Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and today we're going to be unboxing the Holman or Kargo Master shelf mounting kit for the Ford Transit Connect. This is part number 48301TC. If you want to speed up your shelf installations in your Ford Transit Connect, you're going to want to take a look at this. So let's get into it. All right, so this, again, Kargo Master is a name that no longer exists. It's now called Holman. Kargo Master, the company was purchased by Holman years ago, and then they just finally renamed it to Holman, but it's the same products that you know and trust. A lot of the packaging and things like that are gonna still say Kargo Master on them, but at the end of the day, it's the same company, same great products. This is a shelf mounting kit. It's designed specifically for the Ford Transit Connect. It's to help you mount shelving to the van. And so if you buy an equipment package for a Transit Connect, or you're just looking to buy shelving and want an easy way to attach that shelving to the Transit Connect without drilling holes in the side or anything like that, you can use this little mounting kit. And in fact, if you get a shelving package for Ford Transit Connect, it usually comes with two of these, because you'll get two shelves, one for each side of the van. They'll mount rearward, so not in front of those sliding doors. And these, let's see, 1, 2, 3 mounting brackets here. These are, man, they're pretty heavy duty little straps here and mounting hardware. And some installation instructions here too. Wow, look at that. And so again, these actually, I think this one mounts into the floor. So you take the D-ring out in the back of the van, and you've got a couple mounting locations here, and then you got kind of 2 straps that are used to mount the shelf to the side of the van. So rather than, you know, traditionally the shelf's gonna come with mounting straps, and you're just gonna find a spot to mount it to the side of the vehicle. Sometimes there's a hole in the side that you can put a plus nut or a rivet through to secure that strap and then attach that to the shelf. But these brackets really make it super simple to attach a shelving to the van, because it gives you instructions right here on how to take existing thread embosses in the rear slider door area. You're gonna mount this bracket to the side of the wall. You're gonna mount this bracket to the other side. And then on the floor, yeah, you take the D-ring out, and it actually looks like it mounts through this hole right here, depending on if you're on the left side or the right side. The cool thing about these brackets is that you can use it for the left side or the right side of the vehicle, driver's side or passenger side. You flip it around, flip it upside down for the floor, and run it this way or this way, this way or this way rather. And so, super simple. You want to mount a shelf in the back on both sides. Buy 2 of these kits and make it super easy to install the shelf. You don't have to buy this to mount the shelving, but this makes it a whole lot easier. You're not trying to find holes yourself to tap into. This comes with a 3-year warranty if you buy it from an authorized reseller. So Upfit Supply is an authorized reseller of Kargo Master Holman products, so you get that 3-year warranty. If you buy it from somewhere else, it's not authorized, you're kind of out of luck on the warranty there. This is powder coated gray, so it matches all of their shelving. And man, this is super thick. I just want to measure this real quick. See what kind of steel they used on this. 1/10 of an inch, a little bit more than that. 0.1, 0.12, 0.1198. So man, this is really thick gauge steel there. I could probably figure out what that actual gauge is for you, but this is super heavy duty. This is gonna hold all the weight of that shelf and keep it from shifting around. You get a hardware kit. Looks like you got 2 lock nuts. You got 2 carriage bolts and 2 just normal bolts there for attaching this. So yeah, you're using the existing D-ring mounting location, so you don't even need a nut there, and then possibly for some other locations you need the lock nut. So Super simple kit here that you get everything you need to install shelving, make it super simple, super easy. Take the guesswork of how to mount the shelf in the back of your Ford Transit Connect. Again, this is part number 48301TC. If you're looking for this or any other equipment to upfit your cargo van to make it work ready, check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.